Yabona abalandeli beKaizer Chiefs are the funniest supporters in the whole African continent. Kati Pirates yayibadla, even last weekend ibadlile. But ngokuwina nje le match le derby, usube ezobamba becula bethi ladli Nkosi lidla ukudla kwashona ladli Nkosi lidla ukudla kwashona. Manje uyazibuza ukuthi ikuphi lokudla kwekhosi mazweni. iKaizer nami ngadleka kawu-20 imeke yawina kanye nje uzothi liyadla Nkosi lidla ukudla kwashona. We all know pound to pound the Pirates had better players, but still izwana yabona bafethi football yase South Africa is nothing without Kaizer Chiefs fanatics. Abalandeli beKaizer Chiefs, they make football, they make African football. Trust me, there is no football without Kaizer Chiefs fanatics. Labantu laba noma ngabe badliwe noma ngabe bawinile kodwa kuyohlala ekutrend iKaizer nje. Makudliwe iKaizer iyatrend, mayiwinile iyatrend. Kwenzakalani into udlala neKaizer nje kuzotrend iKaizer, uyidlile ikushayile kuzotrenda uzobeza uyidlile bazothi asiphele umoya mabewinile bazosho kanje. My question is ikuphi lokudla ngoba labantu bebendlile last weekend. Abalandeli beKaizer at the best, but when it comes to mood ne vibe, I give them the title. Bewinile bedliwe, they still manage to shine. Bashine abesebunzimeni bashine bewinile labantu laba, they make African football.